Ready? We're gonna wait for him. Ready? Oh.
No,
You
no.
like it? More?
Is that gonna curdle with his milk he was drinking?
No.
Ow.
Want to try some more? We try to get it in your mouth. Ooh.
He doesn't like it.
Yeah, he
He's
does.
trying to figure it
Oh, he's
out.
eating
He's
it.
never had it.
He's sucking on it.
He'll ask for more.
Gross.
Matthew's first organic applesauce.
Organic. Ew.
Means it's no chemicals.
Is that good?
You want some more? Oh, num 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 num. Num 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 num. He's like, what is it? It's apples. Apples.
He's not really too sure.
Get on this.
His arms are just apples.
More?
Oh, more. You like it? You think that's pretty good? Huh? You want more? Oh, you're reaching for it. You must like it. Ready?
And then he's like, not so sure.
Nope. What's up?
He just wants a spoon.
You gotta kind of put it in your mouth if you want them. Okay, ready? Ah! Oh, got it in your nose. Sorry. Oh.
Grandma.
He wants to do it himself.
You
Grandma.
want to do it? You can let him do it.
Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! You flop your little arms around like you're gonna fly away. You funny
He
guy.
wants to. How do you like that?
Num num.
Do you want
just?
more?
Here, I'll let him just suck on the spoon. Want to just suck on the spoon? You do it yourself? You want to do it yourself? Here. Hold the spoon. There you go. Put it in your mouth. You want to hold the spoon?
No.
Nope. Adam?
You tried it. Good job.
Just add it up, and you're ready to go. I'm actually bringing the chocolate.